Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by charging the Astro A50 Gen 5. Plug the USB-C cable until the LED turns solid white so battery calibration begins. Once done, connect the base station to power and then to the Ps5 using the supplied USB cable. The base station pairs over its wireless link. Make sure the base station sits within 1 to 2 meters of where you'll wear the headset, because distance affects signal strength and latency. This minimizes dropouts and gives you the best initial connection. You now configure the Ps5 audio so the console recognizes the A50. Navigate to Settings, then Sound, and choose the base station under Output Device. Set input to USB headset so voice chat routes correctly. Once selected, place the headset on the base station. Hold it there until the LED pulses green to confirm pairing. While pairing, test game versus chat balance in the audio settings and adjust the mix wheel on the headset if you need more game or chat audio. This gives precise control. You finish by fine-tuning audio. Use the mix wheel to balance game versus chat, switch EQ presets on the headset for clarity, and enable mic side tone so you hear your own voice. Then check firmware. Connect the headset to a PC or Mac and run Astro Command Center to install updates that fix bugs and improve performance. If audio fails, reboot the Ps5, reseat the base station cables, and if needed, run a factory reset on the base station. That single troubleshooting step often resolves pairing or audio routing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.